welcome to my channel Arma Tech. Today I'm gonna review one of the best sounding speaker of this year, which is Harman Kardon Go and Play 3, and I will review it, give you sound sample and unbox it for you. Okay, now let's have a look at it. This is the new packaging of Harman Kardon Go and Play 3. Okay, let's unbox it. I think we should have lots of box and shit in it. Okay, we have some instructions, which is very long one, and some sheets that we will never read it. And what we have here, let's put it aside, okay? And I think this should be the charger. This is the cable for charging. Here is it. And the main course. And this is the speaker. Okay, what we have here, let's unbox it. Wow, it's huge. Look at this subwoofer. Okay, let's review it. And this is the speaker after unboxing. It is equipped with two tweeters, 20mm tweeters, which are placed on side, and two mid-woofer or mid-range speakers, which are placed in the front of the speaker. And we have a down-firing subwoofer. I think it's 13 centimeters. And it is equipped with Bluetooth 5.2, and it has a power of 160 RMS watts. And here we have some ports. Look at here. We have, Type-C, USB Type-C, which is for charging your phone. You can charge your phone with this speaker and use it as a power bank. And this is for charging the Bluetooth speaker, and this is AUX port, which you can use it to play music through it. Okay, now let's listen to sound samples.
Dime
Okay, you listen to the sound sample, and now I have written some of the pros and weaknesses of this Bluetooth speaker. Here are pros. And the first one is that it has a very good and excellent sound and with powerful bass and great details. The second one is that you can use it as a power bank, and especially you can use your cable type C to type C cables. And the other one is that it has a UX input, which is very good option that you have because you can connect it to your laptop to watch movies without any lag. The fourth one is that you don't need to carry a bulky charger with yourself, and you can charge it with only a cable, which you can find it anywhere at your friend's house, and it's excellent because it doesn't have a very huge battery, so it's possible that you will need to connect it to electricity. And the fifth pros is that it's a speaker phone. You can have a connection with your friends while you are connected with Bluetooth to this speaker and use it as a speaker phone. And although its call quality is not excellent. And the last one is that you can buy another one of these speaker and connect it to them wirelessly and use it with as stereo, and you can use it only with the same type of speaker, not any other Harman Kardon speaker. Now let's get to weaknesses of this speaker. And here are cons. The first cons that I have seen is no party connect or party chain that you can use to connect this speaker to other speakers or even the speakers that are of this type together more than two. And the second one is that its battery life is very short. You cannot use it for more than 8 hours. And this is not a very good thing for a portable Bluetooth speaker because you are buying it to carry it with yourself. And another cons that I have seen is that it does not have any IP rating. So it is very prone to water, and you have to watch it carefully because if it gets a little of water, maybe it can have problems. And the fourth one is that it does not have any advanced Bluetooth codec such as aptX, AAC, or LDAC, and it only uses the standard codec, which is a SPC. And there is no app that you can use it to, tweak some equalizer or something like that. So I think all in all, it is very good speaker for those who wanted to use it at home. You cannot rely on its battery for gathering. It can be used for family gatherings, but you cannot run out all night party with it, especially when you are use it out of your home. And all in all, I think you can buy it to enjoy it, its high quality sound. But if you want to, get the best performance out of it, you should use it with wired connection. Thank you for listening and watching this video. I hope you liked it. And, I want you to like it and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Goodbye.